If you've ever deleted an important email from Gmail and thought it was gone forever, don't worry just yet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail using the official Gmail message recovery tool. This is the main method you should try when an email has been removed from the trash and seems impossible to get back. It's quick, it's simple, and in many cases, it can help you find messages you thought were lost for good. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and search for Gmail Message Recovery Tool. You want to make sure you're using the official Google recovery page, so take a moment to check the result before clicking it. Once the page opens, you'll see the recovery tool interface from Google. This tool is designed specifically to help users request recovery for missing or deleted Gmail messages. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your account security. Google may ask you to sign in, confirm your identity, or complete a security check. This step is important because it proves that you're the rightful owner of the account and helps protect your private data. Make sure you complete every prompt carefully and don't skip anything. After your account has been verified, click Continue to request recovery. At this point, Google will begin checking whether the deleted emails can be restored. Depending on the situation, it may take a few moments for the request to process. Be patient here, because the tool is looking for messages that may still be recoverable even if they were permanently deleted from your inbox or trash. Once the process is finished, you can see the result. If the recovery is successful, your restored emails should appear back in your Gmail account. If not, the tool will let you know whether the messages are unavailable. Either way, this is the first and most important place to check when trying to recover permanently deleted Gmail emails, and that's it. You've now learned how to use the Gmail Message Recovery tool to try to get back deleted messages from Gmail. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.